Hi, in this video we are going to see the All India Entrance Test 2021 for the PhD admission guys from one of the top university, and here the candidates who are going to select without any type of national eligibility test or the national qualification with only post graduation. If you selected for the full time PhD, then you will get the stipend from 10,000 to 80,000 rupees per month, and coming to the UGC NET candidates are exempted from the written test. So the candidates who are looking for such type of wonderful opportunities, please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. The present content of the video, here the university is Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham. So it is a university guys, and it is recommended as an institution of eminence by Government of India. Okay, so under the University Grants Commission, and you may check down the doctoral program at Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham are designed to develop outstanding educational researchers with a wide range of research skill as well as the in-depth knowledge. And eligible candidates shall be provided a variety of research and the teaching assistantship scholarships. Okay, I will show you. That means if you are having only post graduation, and if you once selected for the full-time PhD here, then you will get the different number of research as well as the teaching assistant scholarships you will get. Okay, and Amrita has pool of outstanding faculty with doctorate from globally known institutions and universities. Anyhow, the candidates who are having the UGC NET JRF or the UGC CSIR NET JRF, SLET or GATE teacher fellowship holders, okay, or else the MPhil passed, MPhil candidates are exempted from the entrance test, but they are required to pass the PhD coursework and other conditions laid down by the Amrita for award of PhD. Okay, and first I will show you the scholarships here guys. Okay, as I show you in the starting itself that the scholarship is going to get 80,000 rupees per month. So that is mentioned here, funded scholarships. So Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham PhD scholarship from 10,000 to 80,000 rupees per month stipend alone. Okay, and it is only the stipend, and additional support you will get for the research infrastructure or facilities and for the publications. Okay, so for these things you will get the separate amount guys. And coming to the Vishweshwara scholarship also you will get. Okay, few under the Vishweshwara scholarship schemes, few seats are reserved in the Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham. So if you once selected based upon that one, then you will get up to 43,000 rupees per month stipend alone, and additional support for the research infrastructure or facilities or publications you will get additionally. And regarding this Vishweshwara scholarship scheme, okay, I will do one video tomorrow. Okay, so based upon this complete, only based upon the Vishweshwara scholarship scheme. Okay, and coming to the international internships, fine. So I think really it will be a wonderful opportunity guys. If you're having the only post graduation, then based upon the research fellowship or else the teaching assistantship, okay, you may get some amount that you can smoothly finish your PhD by doing the full time, even though if you are not having the national level entrance test qualifications. Okay, and coming to the doctoral research faculties, that means which departments are announcing the PhD programs. So engineering, sciences, management, medical sciences, arts, media and commerce, humanities and social sciences, and interdisciplinary studies. Okay. So if you are having any queries regarding this one, then here the phd@amrita.edu mail ID is also given here. So you may check down. And coming to the engineering, so if you want to know what are the different departments are there under the engineering, then just click on that one. Then you will be directed to this one, and you may check down here the different emerging technologies, okay, right now, which are offering as a PhD program under this Amrita University. And in the same way you can check down for the remaining departments also. See, coming to the sciences, so what are the different subjects are there under the sciences? Okay, see, check down this. So chemistry, physics, mathematics, part A for physics, and mathematics part A and B. And interested candidates, science and biotechnology. Okay, and in the Mysore campus also the vacancies are there. That means actually the Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham is having the different branches. Okay, one is Coimbatore and second one is in Bangalore and another one is in Mysore. Fine. So from all these different branches, wherever the vacancies are there, then you will be allotted to that place. Okay, so you must be ready to go at any one of the place, guys, any one of the branch of this Amrita Vishwavidyapita. And just like the management, arts, media, coming to the humanities and social sciences, okay, we will see what are the departments are there here. And you may check down that. So coming to Amritapuri, here the subjects are there. Amrita Darshan Philosophy and Spiritual and Interdisciplinary Studies, English Language and Literature, Social Work and Cognitive Science and Technology and Special Education. And like that you may check from Coimbatore, Chennai, Kochi and Mysore. So here the total 5 different campuses are there. Okay, so in which places you are having the PhD vacancies, then you may go to that place, guys. Fine. So these are regarding the humanities and social sciences. So like that you may check down whatever the department you belongs to here. Fine. And coming to the syllabus for the entrance examination is given here. Okay, and the program set and excellence in rankings and what are the different thrust areas of research, and the scholarship I already shown you, and the fee structure you can check down. And coming to the eligibility here, admission criteria, net qualification. If net qualification is not there, then the candidate must have the following things: PhD degree percentage greater than 65%, research publications or conference presentation, interview score must be greater than 70%, and you have to clear the entrance examination. And coming to the eligibility for admissions here, the different types of PhD admissions are the full-time PhD and part-time PhD, integrated PhD and the dual degree PhD. Okay, you may select any one of things based upon your requirement, guys. Okay, and what is the advantage? Okay, the introduction regarding the PhD admission, okay, as I already shown you, okay, in the starting of this video. Fine. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video, so you please check down. I think really it will be a wonderful opportunity, guys. Okay, you can get the stipend. Okay, very good stipend. Okay, so this much of huge stipend you may get, and the Vishweshwaraya scholarship scheme is also there. Fine. So you can do your PhD here by doing the full time. Okay, if you are getting the stipend this much of amount. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide